guys, I'm in Jonesboro, Georgia, showing you, well, I'm gonna record this video just to show you my house, but I'm just checking on my house. It should be ready sometime next month. It's a beautiful home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths. I'm gonna do an empty house tour as well on YouTube. I see like everybody doing it, and I love looking at empty house tours, but I just want to show you a little bit of it. It's not finished yet, but let me see if I can turn this thing around. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so this is the backyard where my yard is going to start right there where the sod is on the other side. So my yard starts right there. Oh, I have a big lot. I have a huge lot. I'm gonna tell y'all, when I first started this home search, I wanted a house off of Panhandle by D.R. Horton, and I wanted a huge lot. The lot they had for the house they were building was small. I mean, you took 3 steps out the door and you hit a brick wall, and then the other house you take a few more steps and then you run into a area of land where it's a lot of trees. It's like marsh-like. And I know there's a lot of infestation in there. You know, I'm civil engineer, honey. I don't play that. And they're like, oh, yeah, all your property is right there, but you have to tear down the trees and clear it out. Who in the hell gonna do all that? So they was working on this house on the corner. And I said, well, let me get the house on the corner. They gave me a runaround for a week for the house on the corner. They gonna have nerve talking about, well, who gonna cut the yard, and questioning if I can keep it up. Hell, if I was approved for $300,000 and I can I'm sure I can pay for somebody to get the yard cut, okay? So, make a long story short, the manager was nasty. She gonna have to pay $12,000 more for that lot. I said, you know what, fuck them. And I went on, brought my ass over here, and found this place over here, Rock Haven Homes. So here's the backyard. Alright, it's the back of the house. They're building all over the place too. This is the back of the house. Alright, the cabinets are not in yet, and I'm gonna have an island right here. All that's not in yet, but this is the kitchen. The island's gonna be there, and then there are gonna be cabinets along that wall with the stove. It's a gas stove. We're gonna have the window there, and then there's gonna be cabinets right there with the fridge, and then hold on, got the pauses, got the phone. Okay, there we go. So this is gonna be the living area. You see how big it is? Have a whole lot of light, 3 windows. And then I'm gonna have my TV right there. And then, I don't know if, well, I'm pulling this wall. Well, I might have the TV on this wall. I don't know, I haven't decided how I'm gonna fix it up. But, and this is the kitchen from back here. The total square footage is 2,900 square feet. And where those 2 windows are, this is like the breakfast area. So I have a breakfast area here and all that. And this is the entrance. It's a 2-story foyer. So I have 3 windows up there, beautiful. And this is the dining room area. So it's gonna be a dining room slash something else, because there's a lot of space, so I don't know what else I'm gonna do in here, but it's gonna be pretty. Yeah, all my furniture gonna be paid for. I'm not financing nothing. I think I might put like a deep freezer here in a mud room or something. I don't know if I want to do a mud room or a deep freezer or whatever, but anyway, this is gonna be the pantry. It's a little smaller pantry, but it'll work because I got a lot of cabinets. Oh, you know what? The deep freezer is gonna go on the other side. This is gonna be the mudroom. When people come in through the garage. And this here is a walk-in. Ooh, I ain't got no paint. This here is gonna be the coat closet. And this here is a garage. So I guess I do a mudroom here. And this is the half bath. So it's not actually in the kitchen. And this is gonna be, let me show you the entrance. As you come in, it's 2-story entrance, and I paid for the upgrade for the staircase. And then you got the 2-story foyer. So very, very high ceilings. And then I have my little window right there. All right, so I'm going up the stairs. All right, so I love this little nook right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do right here, but I love this little part. And then it's a 2-story foyer. I can see and be like, who's at the door? Who's at the door? All right, so this is a guest bedroom. So it's gonna be a guest bedroom / TV room, and it has a walk-in closet. And see, you can see it. I'm gonna get my cousin to put me some ceiling fans in here because it doesn't come with ceiling fans in the guest bedroom. But it has high ceilings, 2 windows. And this is going to be the laundry room. Can't turn it on because thing's not in yet. The switches. But this is the laundry room. I'm gonna come back and do the master last. All right, this is the second bath. So that's gonna be the vanity. That's gonna be like where the sink and the mirror and all that stuff goes. And then there's a door here, and then you got the tub and the toilet. So it's a pretty spacious second bath. This is another bedroom. You see they had to cut out the window, so they're gonna wait on the window to go in. And then there's a little closet there. It opens up. So this room is gonna be my office. So I want the smallest room to be my office because I didn't want to take up any of the bigger rooms, but I probably have I gotta figure out how I'm gonna have my desk in here. Because I like to look out the window, but I want to be right in front of the window. But okay, I probably have it against this wall here. And then I have like 2 different file cabinets, and then I'm gonna get a little couch or a little lazy boy in here so I can just relax a little bit. Put my TV up on the wall or whatever. But this is gonna be the guest bedroom. Well, this is gonna be my office. This is the other guest bedroom. See, it's just like the other one. It has high ceilings. It has 2 windows. And it has a closet, walk-in closet with a window in the walk-in closet. Now, what you all been waiting for, the master. Let's go to the master. The master. Woo! You see how big that thing is? So, I have a lot of fun in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do to fill in all this space, but I'm gonna do something. So, I think I'll put my bed right here, and then put a TV right there. I'm gonna get a bigger TV. The TV I got in my room is huge, but I think I may take the TV from the living room, put it in my bedroom, and then use the TV I have in my bedroom right now for the sitting area. And this is the sitting area. This is like a whole nother living room. So I'm gonna get me a couch, some chairs, put the TV right there, chill out, make this space a little intimate. See, this is a big ass room. And I'm glad I didn't go with that other place because that room was not this big. In the sitting area. I didn't realize that sitting area is so big. I don't know, that thing is huge. But this is the sitting. I have my windows to the wall. And this is the bathroom. So I have a separate shower and tub. Have towel around tub, big open window. The vanity with the is gonna be 2 sinks and the mirrors and all that. This is where the toilet is gonna go, so you leave all that stink in there. Have a nice window. This is the linen closet. And the master closet is huge. Let me turn the light on. This thing's so big, it's like another bedroom. It could be another bedroom. This is the guest. I mean, not a guest. I keep saying guest bedroom. This is my master closet. My master closet is huge. So, I'm gonna show you the outside. Rock Haven Homes. Love, love, love them. I'll be so glad when I sign the dotted line. Okay, so again, this is the master. 2,900 square feet home. 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. All right, I'm gonna show you the outside. I'll be right back. All right, this is the outside. The side yard. And I love the brick and stuff. I picked out everything in this house. I have been blessed to be able to purchase 2 homes before I'm 40. And if you need help getting your stuff together so that you can purchase that home, hit me up. There ain't gonna be no free charge. Have a little bit of paper. I'll show you what to do. Because I tell you, my finance has been up and down. And it's been more down than up. But when I was ready to get my stuff together, I got it together. So I know how to do it. You just have to listen. Take the advice. Okay, all right, there you go. The AC unit. And they're gonna put a sidewalk there. And they're gonna put a sidewalk there. So they got everything formed up to lay the concrete. And they're laying concrete over there, they're laying the slab. I remember those days. I used to work for a concrete subcontractor. But all right, talk to you later.